This is one of the most advanced pet surveillance tools on the market, with a built-in camera, built-in microphone, built-in speaker for communication with your pet, and also a really nice built-in treat dispenser. And it also has a huge hopper. It has a great price, and it also has bonus features that you can unlock with a subscription. Got the new drip from Petcube. This is the Bites 2 Lite. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the box. Let's get rid of the wrap first. So we have the front right here, or actually the top. This is the front. We have this on the back, also this. The sides are blank, and on the bottom we have this. So this and this, and also all the features right here. There we go. Let's open it up. So we have the main device right here. I will remove it for now because I want to start with the accessories and with the manual. Okay, so that's it. It's all in here. So, a few stickers. We get the quick start guide, one in German, one in English. Let's check it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, cute manual and a greatly organized accessories box. We have the power plug right here, USB-A, and here are the specs. Then we have the charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. Then we also get these guards, these treat guards or treat doors. We also get this for wall mounting it. And there's also a separate adapter. That's cool, so you will actually get two. So there we go. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then to a close overview. So here we have it. Let's unwrap it and there we go. So that's the device, the front. Up here the hopper, on the back screw holes for wall mounting it. So yeah, pretty nice, solid build quality hopper. And in here the mechanism. Yeah, looking good to me. Only use the official adapter. Of course, speaker port, and you can also remove the hub. Nice. Okay, let's take a close look. So first of all, we have the top with a rubber seal on the side. Then we have the hopper cover, transparent plastic. There is also a sensor in here, so that's neat. And you can also see it through the walls. Branding on this side, so let's close it, just like that. And then we have the main part with the camera right here. Lights, receiver, speaker, treat ejecting hole on the side. Well, the speaker is actually on here. Status LED, USB-C port. This on the other side, this on the back, this down here. And the bottom is this rubber surface, looking pretty cool, and it's super stable and sturdy. And lastly, on top we have the treat dispensing mechanism. So we have this treat door right here, and depending on the size of your treats you can exchange this door. So I'm so ready to test it. So let's put on the hopper. Not bad, right? Next up, setup, app overview, and then of course a test. Let's go. So we will get a really nice and long flat cable. But first of all, let's download the app. Petcube Inc. Just one app. Perfect. Okay, let's plug it in. Okay, it's blinking. And by the way, I don't have pets, so I will actually test this on myself. And the treats will be these mints right here. Let's fill it up. In here we have all the mints. So the sensor right here won't work obviously because I don't have enough of them to actually fill it up all the way. But right here you can see them a bit through the transparent hopper. The app is ready. First of all, let's sign up. Add a pet. Okay, let's add a pet. Yep, it's me. I will be the pet. And breed, male, weight in lbs. There we go. And now we can add a device. And we have the Petcube Bites 2 Lite. By the way, check it out. There are so many. Okay, I have it plugged in already. Press and hold the button at the bottom of your camera. Oh, that is actually a button.
Ready for setup.
Right on. Okay, so I heard the sound. Allow location. Okay, let's show it the QR code.
QR scanned. Connecting.
Nice. That was easy, quick, simple, fast.
All set.
Okay, let's skip that. And there we go. Oh, so we have, okay, firmware updating. Automatic firmware update, not too bad. So we have the store. with all sorts of special offers. Right on. Then we have services. Here we can also find the subscription. It's called Petcube Care with all the features and smart alerts. Pretty dope. Then we have the activity right here, just done with the update. And now let's check out this device. Just tap on it and here we go. Camera settings, video, audio, night vision on auto. And when the live stream starts, we can also activate all of that for communication in between you and the pet. We have sharing so that other members of your family, for example, can also check on the pet. We have camera notifications. Yeah, actually, let's turn on all of that. Care settings, of course, I don't have the subscription. General settings, version and Wi-Fi. And you can also activate a treat schedule. Let's go. Oh, we can change the camera cover. Actually, I wanted to start the live stream history. Ah, there we go. Give it all the permissions, of course. Hello. Okay, permissions. Okay, we can also mute the sound and the microphone. Hello, test, test. That's so cool. Okay, so check this out. I will bring my mic near the device. Speaker check, 1, 2, 3. Hey Chris, how's it going? This is what the speaker sounds like. Right on. Let's mute it again. The microphone is actually decent. Hello. Ayo. Ah, yeah, the sensor is telling us that there are no treats inside. So we have these settings. So settings up here, camera, speaker, okay. And we can also take a screenshot that will be saved to your gallery. And we can also record a video just like that. And now let's shoot a treat. So close shot. Oh, quick. That is so amazing. We have a close shot, a mid shot and a long shot. Okay, so let's see. Oh my God. Mid shot. Okay, let's go for a long shot. Oh. That is the best. Another long shot, please. Oh, I love it. Okay, there are trees everywhere now. Okay, let's try that without the... Oh God. I'm stupid. So, these are really small treats, so it will eject way too many. So I would need this smaller trapdoor. Yeah, let's try this one, small one. The way it works is genius. Mid shot. There was actually one left. Ah, so it's detecting that, okay. So it will actually detect when there is no treat in here. And the way the ejection works is that in here is some sort of a wheel that will spin up. Oh, this is made out of rubber. So this will spin up. When you go for a near shot, then this will spin slowly. And when you go for a wide shot, this will spin faster, of course. So let's try it with the small trapdoor. It will actually shoot out the treats. That is so cool. Oh, it works perfectly now. Another close shot. A mid shot. Nice one. And okay, come on, give me a long shot. Oh, it has quite a bit of force. That is so funny, I love it. This is the best. So let's go for a more realistic scenario. Let's say we have this is the wall over here and we have the Bites to Lite right here. So for this demo, I will be the pet. So let's go for a close shot. Perfect. Let's go for a mid shot. Good stuff. Okay, another one. Oh, that was more like it. The first one was like a close shot. And sometimes it will do a double eject, but it depends on your treats, I guess. Okay, and now what we're all waiting for, long shot. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Oh! That is so funny, I love it. Perfect eject. I love it, I absolutely love it. So yeah, you can check on your pet, you have smart detection features and you can eject treats and it's just so cool. Brought the crazy doggy. Hey doggy, are you ready? Ready to get some treats? Got the treats in there. So there we go, ready for the test. Hey boy, look at it. Hey! I removed the door for treats explosions. Good doggy! Get them treats. Nächste. Aber. As you saw, the Bytes 2 Lite offers great specs and features for the price point. The build quality is solid and the video resolution is absolutely fine for pet surveillance. Also with the integrated microphone you can get bark alerts, for example, and with the speaker you can even call or calm down your pet, and then of course throw out a snack for them. The treat dispenser is just so cool. You can even adjust the power in 3 steps and it's just super fun to use it. Huge hopper on top, so this reservoir will last you a long time before you have to refill it. And as I said, there is also a subscription model that will unlock all sorts of cool bonus features. Definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.